Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Ki Pulit jong Kariboy District haka arpsantrik unai weng arajar arpuar kila litsau na Jorabad ki Trok ki bawan kit ya ka penyang Petrol sya ka jila Meghalaya da ka jingsim kya jong sarkar Meghalaya ling bakat nat food civil supplies ka bala patha ya ki deputy commissioner but ya ki superintendent of police jong ki district bakin pinpiang ki Pulit na ka benta ka jingsingan jong ki Trok ki penyang Petrol bat diesel ki bawan rung sya ka jila Meghalaya. Kani jingsim kya ki Pulit kalong hadien baka Assam Petroleum Mazdur Union ka larai ban sangye sipor na kabenta ban penpoy ya ka umpanyang petrol sa kajela Meghalaya hadien belayo jingtep bagi don ki jingsya pendik jong ki kali ki badan yo number kali jong kajela Assam hadien ki jingsya set yap jong ki sangut ginong sosnong ka snong mukro ha ki Pulit kajela Assam ha ka step jong ka arpu atrik unai weng arajar arpu ar nakaliang jong joint secretary ka Petroleum Dealer Association u Sanchet Surekha ulay thu bahadian ulayo ya kajingkit kli ng sarkar Meghalaya ka association kala pha biang kumba saw phot ligi Trok kit umpanyang petrol ban penpoy sa Meghalaya ringkat kajing pahara jong ki Pulit.
गाड़ी में स्कूट लेके जाने दे रहा है, स्कूट लेके जाएगा। आने का टाइम में हम लोग को स्कूट नहीं मिलेगा, फिर आने का टाइम में कुछ होगा। फिर तब मारने के बाद हम लोग ये फ़ोन करके क्या करेगा? मारे दिया हम लोग को, तब कैसे फ़ोन करेगा हम लोग? देखिए नहीं क्या करेगा? तो आने का टाइम में हम लोग को स्कूट चाहिए ना, तो आप लोग किया ना।
Foto dulu ya.
Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya. I'm the Joint General Secretary. What is happening here is that since yesterday, because of security concerns in Meghalaya, the Tanker Drivers Association, which is Assam Petroleum Mazdur Union, they had temporarily stopped the supplies. And yesterday, after assurance from the government,
that they'll be providing police escort. So today the supplies to Meghalaya have resumed, and the Meghalaya police, as you can see in the background, they are stationed here in Jorabad, and they are escorting all the vehicles all the way down to the different districts of Meghalaya. And so we from the Petroleum Dealers Association, we are very grateful to the Meghalaya government and particularly to the police department and the IC sir from Burniat and the SP sir from Rivoy for providing us with all the support so that the smooth supplies to Meghalaya continue. And we from our Dealers Association, we would like to also say that we stand together, and it was a very sad event that we had to lose so many lives, and we hope and pray that peace and prosperity will continue within our state of Meghalaya.